Okay, now we will be learning about 6 cases related to the concave mirror. So the first case is when the object at infinite. So I am just writing the position of an object. So object will be at infinite and we have to find the position of the image. Okay, so I am just drawing a concave mirror. This is on principal axis, center of curvature, focus, pole. Whenever the object at infinite, so we don't know the size or shape of that object. Okay, size of an object, so we have to consider rays which are parallel to principal axis. So we will be considering some rays, incident rays which are parallel to principal axis. సో ఎప్పుడైతే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇన్ఫినైట్ డిస్టెన్స్లో ఉంది, సో అప్పుడు మనం కొన్ని రేస్ తీసుకోవాలి parallel to principal axis. మనకు రూల్ ఏం తెలుసు, whenever a ray are parallel to principal axis, this all the rays will be reflected from the focus. So all the rays will be reflected from the focus, so we'll get the image at focus. So we will be going to get an image at focus, and the focus, the size of the image will be point size. Okay, so we will be going to get a point size image here. Okay, this is a case 1. So next case 2. So next we have in case 2. So in case 2, position of the object will be beyond, or you can say near C. So now we will be talking about the image. So same, I am just drawing the concave mirror, principal axis, pole, focus, center of curvature. You remember the distance between pole and focus should be same of distance between focus and, అంటే ఇది 2 cm తీసుకోండి, 2 cm తీసుకోండి ఎగ్జామ్లో డ్రా చేయడానికి. ఓకే, జస్ట్ టేక్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ఎ రూలర్ and measure the equal distance between the pole and focus and center. So where is what is the position of the object? So object is beyond or near the C. So I am just taking an object which is, you can draw in 1 cm arrow mark. So from the tip of the object, I am just drawing a ray parallel to principal axis. So we know that whenever a ray is parallel to principal axis, it will pass from focus. Second thing, you can take a ray is passing from focus, so which will become parallel to principal axis. So we will know that a image is formed in between focus and center of curvature. Okay, so when the object is behind the C, ఇక్కడ ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ తీసుకోవాలి. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ఏ రే parallel to principal axis, so it will pass from focus. This is a reflected ray. Second ray, you can consider a ray passing from focus. So we know that whenever a ray is passing from focus, it will become parallel to principal axis. So both will be intersect at this point. This is here we will get the image. See, object ఎలా ఉంది, image ఎలా ఉంది. So image is reverse. So we have to write the position. So position is between, so image is formed between F and C, and the size, is bigger, is small. So you can say whenever the size is small, we have to write diminished, invert, and real. So here if you want to see the image, we have to keep a screen. So screen ante telusu kada, edo book gaani edo surface gaani pettali. Okay, this is the second case. So next case 3. So in the case 3, the object will be at C, or you can say the object will be at the center of curvature. So object will be at the center of curvature. Same, we have to draw a ray parallel to principal axis. It will pass from focus. Second, you can say a ray is passing from the focus. It will come parallel to principal axis. Both will intersect at C. So object C మీద ఉన్నప్పుడు image. So image will also form at C. It will be of same size. This is reverse, same size, invert, real. Okay, so this is case 3. Next one is case 4. So in case 4, the object will be between focus and center of curvature. So I am just again taking a ray, concave mirror, this is center, this is focus, this is pole. A ray is between pole and center of curvature. you can draw a ray parallel to principal axis. It will pass from focus. Second, you just take a ray passing from the focus. It will become parallel to the principal axis and both will be intersect beyond the C. Ante first thing you have to take a ray parallel to principal axis. It will reflect from the focus. Secondary, you can have to take rays passing from the focus. It will become parallel to principal axis. Both will intersect beyond the C. So what is the position of the image? Image ekkada form ayindi? Image is formed beyond the C. Idi chinnaga undi peddaga undi. So image will be invert. So whenever it is bigger, we have to write enlarge. Okay, this is case 4. So next we'll be talking about case 5. So on the case 5, we have to place an object at focus. So focus, center of curvature, pole. So now we will be placing an object on the focus. So whenever the object is placed as a focus, so we will be taking a ray parallel to principal axis from the tip of the object. So it will pass from the focus. Next, you can say you can take a ray which seems to be coming from the center of curvature. So we know that whenever a ray is coming from the center of curvature, so it will reflect back in the same path, opposite direction. So you can see, so both will be intersecting at infinite. So whenever the object is whenever this both the reflected ray will intersect at infinite, so we cannot predict the size or the position of the image. అంటే మనకు ఇమేజ్ వస్తుంది ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది మనకు తెలియదు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ట్ కేస్ is very important. So we will be placing an object between pole and focus. So this is concave mirror, focus, center of curvature. Okay, so we will be placing an object between pole and focus. So now again we will be taking a ray parallel to principal axis. You know, whenever a ray is parallel to principal axis, it will pass from focus. Second ray, we have to consider a ray which is seems to be coming from the center of curvature. So we will see this ray will be passing in the same path, opposite direction. Even they won't intersect. So if you extend them behind, so they will be intersecting at a point. So here we will be going to get a image behind the mirror. అంటే బిహైండ్ ద మిర్రర్ అంటే మనకి మిర్రర్ వెనకాల కనిపించదు. విల్ బి గోయింగ్ టు సీ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇమేజ్ ఆన్ ద మిర్రర్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. బట్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇమేజ్ ఈస్ బిహైండ్ ద మిర్రర్. సో యూ కెన్ సీ దట్ ఇమేజ్ ఈస్ అగైన్ at the same position, not invert. Okay, so it is on the same position. We can say ఇది చిన్నగా ఉంది పెద్దగా ఉంది. So we got enlarge వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్. సో వెనెవర్ ద ఇమేజ్ ఇస్ వర్చువల్ అంటే అద్దం మీద కనిపిస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ అంటే ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది అద్దం మీద అద్దం మీద కనిపించినప్పుడు ఎలా ఇరెక్ట్ అంటే లెఫ్ట్ ది రైట్ ఉంటుంది, రైట్ ది లెఫ్ట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ ఇరెక్ట్. ఓకే, సో ఎవరైతే ఇప్పుడు ఎండ్ దాకా వీడియో చూస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళకి ఒక చిన్న పాయింట్ చెప్తాను. సో రిలేటెడ్ టు కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్, this is center, this is focus, this is pole. So we can place the object on the 6 different position. So first position is at infinite, adi first case. Second case is if you are placing an object beyond the C, that is case 2. Case 3 is whenever object is placed at center of curvature. Case 4 is whenever an object is placed between focus and center of curvature. Next is whenever object is placed at focus. Next is when an object is placed in between pole and focus. So totally 6 case. In this 6 case, in these 5 cases, the image will be real. In this case, image will be virtual. Okay, you remember this point. This is very, very important related to the concave mirror. Okay, so in next video, we will be discussing some problems related to the mirror formula. Okay, so mirror formula untadi ikkada. So we will be discussing some problems related to this mirror formula. Okay, thank you.